Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to enter vendor payments in Zoho Books. This is essential for keeping accurate records of all payments made to your suppliers and ensuring your accounts payable stays up to date. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoho.com/books. Once you're on the page, log in using your Zoho Books credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your company's financial records, as this is where you'll be managing all vendor-related transactions. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the main navigation menu. Click on Purchases. This section houses all your vendor-related activities, from bills to payments. From the Purchases submenu that appears, select Payments Made. This is where Zoho Books stores all the records of payments you've issued to your vendors. Now look toward the top right corner of your screen and click the plus New button. This will open up a fresh payment entry form where you can record your vendor payment. The first thing you'll need to do is select the vendor name from the drop-down list. This ensures the payment gets correctly attributed to the right supplier in your system. Next, enter the payment date. This should reflect the actual date when the payment was made, not necessarily today's date. Accurate dating is crucial for financial reporting and reconciliation purposes. After that, choose the payment mode from the available options. You might select cash, bank transfer, check, or another method depending on how you actually paid your vendor. Under Paid Through, select the account that was used to make this payment. This could be your bank account, petty cash, or any other payment account you have set up in Zoho Books. This step ensures your accounts are properly debited. Now enter the amount paid in the designated field. Be precise here, as this figure will affect your financial statements. Here's an important step: you'll need to apply the payment to outstanding bills. Zoho Books will show you a list of unpaid bills for this vendor. Select the bills you're paying off with this payment. Or if you're making an advance payment that doesn't apply to any specific bill yet, you can choose to keep it as an advance credit. Finally, click Save to record the vendor payment in Zoho Books. Your payment is now logged, your vendor account is updated, and your financial records reflect this transaction accurately. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.